Hey guys, this is Tess. Today we are reviewing this iPad Pro keyboard. It is for the iPad Pro 12.9 inches wireless Bluetooth keyboard, and it comes with this protective cover that is packaged in like this, and it's really well made. It's actually, I'm gonna let go of my camera so I can show you guys. When I first got it, it was right here, so very well made. I'm using my iPad to film right now, and it's not being used with this cover, but it looks great. A very nice design and simple to use. Once you have your iPad Bluetooth enabled, you just press this connect button, and it will, well, you charge this keyboard first. It comes with the USB key charger, so you charge it first, and then once you turn it on, you just press the connect button, and it will, your iPad, it will enable the keyboard to be searchable for your iDevice. Or I've used this with my iPhone as well, and it works very well. So check out the link below this video to see its current price on Amazon.com. This is a very well made, durable keyboard, and it works. It's very awesome and very convenient for my blogging and vlogging tasks. So check it out with the link below this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.